In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add point light in After Effects. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are plenty of light options that you can do in After Effects, including point light. To set this up and use it, first, make sure that your layers have been set to 3D view. This will be necessary for the light to function properly and for you to position it in contrast to your other layers. After it has been enabled, you will be able to change the scale, orientation, X and Y rotation, and other options, but this isn't too important for now. Make sure as well that you have it set to 2 view. So right underneath the preview of your current project, switch it to 2 view. Now you will have this at the left, where you are able to see all of the layers and how they are positioned or located in contrast with each other. You can have a top view, which is what I'm displaying here, or you can change the view of the camera depending on the options that you set up here. Now, to actually create the light, right-click anywhere, empty, go over to New, and then choose Light. Inside of the options, you can change the light type from Spot, which should be the default, to Point. So choose point light. If you want to set up another type of light, then you can choose according to your preferences, but in this video I'm going to be focusing on point light. You can change the intensity, angle, and other options, and then click OK, and the point light will be created. If you look on the 3D view that I mentioned at the left side, you can now position it in relation to your other layers. So as you can see here in this example, because it is very close to this layer, it is illuminating this area with a lot of strength, but it becomes dark quickly after it leaves this radius. If you position it more towards the back, then the light will most likely illuminate a larger area. You can change the intensity, change the position, and various different options. You can add as many point lights as you need, and they will be displayed alongside your other layers. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.